Hey guys, Richard here. I'm out riding the Mukkpet Stepwagon. Thought I'd show it some love because we haven't had it out for a little while. So we're going to go for a little ride, talk about it just a little bit. Just to give you a quick shot here. Yeah, we've got hydraulic brakes. We've got, I think that's two and a half inch tires. We got 30 amp hours worth of batteries there combined. We have 750 watt motor. It peaks out at 1500 watts. This bike did not come with the baskets, although they do have them available for purchase separately. But it's a really super long rear end here, so you could actually easily put two children on there if you get like a cargo package or something if it's available. So that's kind of cool. It's got turn signals on the rear, nothing on the front other than the front headlight. Really a long frame, it just seems like. So yeah. Oh, and I added this kickstand right here, aftermarket. I actually found a kickstand that I like better. I talked about in another video. I just haven't swapped this one out yet because this one, on a slippery floor or something in the garage, this one tends to want to slide out, and the bike fell a couple of times. But I added that just so we didn't have to utilize this A-frame kickstand all the time because it's kind of hard getting it on and off. So yeah, let's just put the kickstand up and go for a ride. Get you sit here. Yeah, so let's talk about this a little bit. Let's see, I guess it would help if we put it in gear. There you go, pedal assist 1. Cruising right along. Yeah, not a bad bike. I mean, even though it's a lot longer, you don't really notice what's going on behind you there. You just point the front tire wherever you want it to go and it goes. So that's a good thing if you're worried about the length. Although you got to make sure you got the storage space for it, I guess. Yeah, brakes, we're going to test those. Oh yeah, they grab real good. A lot of grab there. Let's go ahead and pump this up in the 2, 3. Oh, did get going a little faster. 4, 5. There we go. Oh, what's that? Got a little clicking noise. Not sure what that was. It's gone. You know what I think? Oh no! It's my derailleur. My derailleur's out of adjustment. That's what's going on back there. Oh no! Alright, well we'll get that adjusted when we get back to the house. I can't get up in the 7th gear. It doesn't want to go any further. And not sure what happened there. Possibly when it fell over once or something. Anyway. On this bike, you lean forward just a little bit. If you're tall like I am. I'm 6'1", and I'm having to lean over quite a bit. So you might be looking more at the ground than you are at what's going on in front of us. There's one. There we go. Yeah, if I was going to keep this bike, I think I'd want to raise the handlebars up just an inch or 2. That's easy to do. Just get you what's called a stem riser. You can get them on Amazon for like $8-10 or something. And they're easy to stick on. I got videos about that. Yeah. The motor's fairly quiet. How's it going? Not super loud. You can hear it back there a little bit whining along, but it's not like a high-pitched, annoying whine or anything like that, so that's pretty good. It's got front suspension. I like that over here on the left side, the blinkers have a defined button for left and right, and then you have a middle where it's off. Instead of like, you know, something on your button pad up here, trying to fumble around and find it. I like that it's just right there, real quick, easy to flip on your blinkers and go. So that's pretty convenient. It does have a twist throttle over here on the right side, which I prefer. So that's pretty good. Although I have been getting used to thumb throttles because I'm starting to see them more and more often now, but I don't know, I still just prefer a twist throttle. Some people hate them. One or the other, you know, they just really can't stand them, but I've gotten used to it now. There we go. All right. Yeah, overall, good bike. Cruising around about 17 miles an hour right now. Slowly picking up speed. This is a cadence sensor. Yeah. I think we're going to call it done. Yep, because I feel raindrops already. It's been raining all day, so I feel raindrops again, so it's getting ready to start raining on me again. So I think we'll just stop here while we're close to the house. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in the Mukkpet Stepwagon, follow the link down below and go check it out, all the details. I'll see you in another video real soon.